In this video, we will learn short speech on Independence Day. Number 1. Good morning everyone. Number 2. My name is Zoya. Number 3. Today is 15th August. Number 4. We are celebrating Independence Day. Number 5. India got freedom on this day in 1947. Number 6. We hoist national flag on this day. Number 7. We sing national anthem. Number 8. Independence Day is our national festival. Number 9. This year we are celebrating our 76th Independence Day. Number 10. I am proud to be an Indian and I love India. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.